you guys want to learn how to get completely free clothes from Poshmark, I got good news for you, because in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 3 different methods that you can use right now today in order to get completely free clothes from Poshmark. And the best part is that anybody from any country can be doing these methods, provided that Poshmark is available in your country. And on top of that, these methods are literally the easiest that you're ever going to find. And on top of that, they are not a scam at all. But if you want to know something that's also not a scam, it's this channel, because on this channel, I teach you the fastest ways to make some free money online. So if that sounds interesting at all, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button with post notifications, as well as liking the video and maybe commenting down below if you did it with your cash tag, and I might cash up you $100. But with that all being said, thank you so much for watching, and I genuinely do hope that you have a good day. And we're just gonna jump right into it. So as you guys can see, I am on my phone right now. The first thing that you guys are gonna want to do is that you're going to want to uninstall Poshmark from your phone and then reinstall it with the link down below. The reason why that you do this is because a lot of people don't know about this, but I'm gonna go ahead and open Poshmark and show you. Poshmark actually has a refer a friends option, which if you guys go ahead and sign up with my exclusive Poshmark link in the description down below, you will get a free $10 credit upon sign up, which then you can use to buy literally anything, which obviously this is going to be a good deal for you because there's a ton of stuff on Poshmark that you could probably get for less than 10 bucks. Let's go ahead and take a look at this shirt right here. You can see that this is only about $9, which means that you could get this shirt right now on Poshmark for completely free, provided that you go ahead and sign up with my referral code and link down below. There's also a lot of different items, a lot of different clothes that you can go ahead and get. You can see that there's a lot of different shoes here. I actually have been thinking about starting my own Poshmark store where I sell old designer fashion like this one that I have here, because I have a lot of designer fashion on hand and I'm trying to offload some of it. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to leave a comment down below, or maybe reach out to me on Instagram. I'm not going to be selling a shirt like this for more than 40 bucks a pop. So if you're interested, let me know. With that all being said, there is a reason why everyone is on Poshmark right now. It's because it is literally just a better place to sell clothes compared to something like eBay. Because the problem with eBay versus Poshmark is that eBay is a lot more sketchy because there's a lot less buyer guarantee. But I've actually sold stuff on Poshmark before, and let me tell you, it's actually really, really convenient to buy and sell from Poshmark, because Poshmark will actually print out a shipping label for you, and Poshmark actually won't send the money that you pay for the product to the seller until the item has been delivered that is verified by their own shipping number. So they'll get a tracking number for their own number, and that item won't actually be delivered until they get it themselves, which means that you're pretty much completely guaranteed from being scammed, because it is basically just flat out not possible to fake a tracking number like that. So if you guys are interested in getting that free $10 credit, as well, for full transparency, you are going to be supporting the channel while you do it. If you are interested in that, make sure to click that first link down below, but we are just going to be jumping right into the next method. So for the next method, you guys are going to want to go to the second link in the description and download AttaPoll. AttaPoll is literally one of the best survey apps that you can get right now. And if I go ahead and look at my balance, you can see that I already have $13.50, as well as a $35 payout. I've been able to cash out quite a good amount of money from AttaPoll. On top of that, I can tell you right now, if you go ahead and sign up with AttaPoll with the exclusive link down below, you will get a free 50 cents upon sign up. And you'll be going ahead and supporting the channel. So if you want to go ahead and support the kind of quality content that I create, you can go ahead and use that link, as well as subscribing to the channel and liking this video. But as you can see right here, there's 2 different surveys that we can go ahead and fill out for 50 cents each. I normally wouldn't recommend doing a survey for less than $1, but this is actually pretty good and it's not a bad timing. I'm not going to be doing it with you guys because I do want to be jumping right into the next methods, but I would highly recommend you guys use AttaPoll, because with AttaPoll, there's a lot of different great cash out options. For example, you can cash out on Amazon and Home Depot and Fanix and Walmart, as well as just through PayPal and Revolt, which I normally just do PayPal, because PayPal is pretty good, even though sometimes you have to eat the transaction fees. But the nice thing about PayPal is that everyone uses it, so it's pretty linear. With that all being said, we're actually going to be jumping into our third method for how to get completely free clothes from Poshmark. For our third method, what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the third link down in the description down below, and you're going to want to sign up for Eureka. As you can see right here, I have already made $16 from Eureka compared to when I last cashed out. And the best part about Eureka is that they actually have more cash out options relative to AttaPoll. So you can see right here, they have bank transfer, they have Amazon, they have virtual Visa cards, they have PayPal, they have Walmart and Target, as well as a bunch of different gift card options that you can see. And the best part is that, as you can see right here, I've made almost $140 from Eureka, and I cashed out not even a week or two ago, and I've already made another 16 bucks. And I don't spend much time on Eureka at all. I'm only out here filling surveys while I'm on the can. And just for an example of what a survey will look like, let's just take a look at the daily poll. Favorite way to start the day: hearty breakfast, exercise or workout, cup of coffee, easy, 100%. And then we go ahead and claim our 1 cent. And as you can see, every single survey will operate like that. On top of that, Eureka has the second highest paying surveys that I've seen from any survey site. Then I'm going to be showing you a survey site that right now is literally going to be giving you 100% of your earnings from that site. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to stick till the next method. For our next site, it is going to be paid to earn. And the best part about using paid to earn is that you get literally 100% of your earnings from that survey, which means that if you fill out a survey that's worth $3, you will get that full $3. And just to show you guys that that is legit, I'm just going to go ahead and sign into my account. I've made almost $130 in pay to earn, and I've made that in a lot shorter amount of time than I did from Eureka. I was on Eureka in about April, and I've only been on pay to earn for the last 2 months, and I've already made as much money. And the best part about pay to earn is that they have just as many cash out options as Eureka, as well as they have Cash App as well, and even Discord Nitro and Robux, which means that there's so many different ways for you guys to be able to cash out, which means that there's a lot of different ways that you're going to be able to make some easy money. And if you want to see the value of the surveys, you're going to want to scroll down, you're going to want to hit the best pick section right here. And as you can see right here, they have surveys that are literally paying out $3, $2, $2, $2, $5, $3, which you are not going to be able to find any survey that's paying out this much on any other survey site, including free cash, including Eureka, and including AttaPoll. On top of that, you will get 100% of your earnings from any kind of these offer walls. So if we check out BitLab's offer walls, for example, you can literally make $90 from doing this right now. You can make $65 from this. You can make $18 from this. You guys literally have one of the best opportunities to cash out right now, and pay to earn is only going to be available for a limited time. And if you go to the comments and check out my pinned comment, I have a link to my pay to earn sign up where you will get a free $1 upon sign up. So if that sounds interesting at all, make sure you guys sign up for pay to earn today. So with that all being said, we are now at the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button because I'm dedicated to providing value first content on this channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I genuinely do hope that you have a good day. Bye.